There was a problem with your request on Instagram. Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager like this, and when you open the apps manager right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. If you didn't find it, you can search for it here in the search bar. Anyway, click on Instagram, click on this option to stop the app from running, and then go to the permissions. This is the most important step. Make sure that all the options are enabled in the permissions of the app. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear data and click delete. Now you have to go into the Play Store or any store that you have on your phone and update your Instagram into the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe.